Hi everyone, I'm Anil Kumar, LLB coach and motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about how to clear your backlog subjects. Specifically comes under Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Whether it could be 3 years LLB or 5 years LLB, how to clear your backlog subjects. I'm going to tell some of the tips which you need to follow to crack or to clear your LLB subjects, especially backlog subjects. My dear friends, if you keep backlog subjects, it is very difficult to pass upcoming semester's examinations. So, how to clear your backlog subject? That is very important. So, in this video, I'm going to tell some of the few tips which you need to follow to overcome your backlog subjects. So first and foremost is you have to identify where you went wrong. First of all, if you have some doubt regarding on your backlog paper, you may get from Karnataka State Law University photocopy of your answer sheet. So if you obtained photocopy of your answer sheet from Karnataka State Law University, so that you will come to know where you went wrong, what marks you have got in the particular subjects, and how the lecturers have been evaluated your paper, you will come to know. That is first thing. So if you would like to know more about how much you have got and how you have been written in the examination, you can get photocopy from the Karnataka State Law University. Then second tip is you have to analyze the root cause where you went wrong. So that is very important. So maybe methodology wrong, maybe you have not written sufficient answers. Sometimes you may presented wrong answers. Sometimes you may skipping about some very relevant points. Sometimes you may not write in the proper way. So those kind of things you need to analyze. So you need to analyze methodology of writing. So I have explained in the earlier videos the methodology of writing. So that is synopsis, introduction, relevant key points, meaning and definitions, so sections, subsections, relevant key points along with case laws, illustrations, whatever. That way you need to present it. So the presentation also is very important. So sometimes, so that is the reason you may fail in the subject, that you need to identify. And next tip is you have to focus on your backlog subjects. So study materials are very important to crack your backlog subjects. Without proper study materials, you cannot able to pass again and again you will get failed, my dear friends. So for that, I have prepared the notes or study materials for your upcoming LLB examinations. So if you go through at least minimum 2 hours a day, if you focus on your subjects, backlog subjects, obviously you can able to crack or you can able to overcome your backlog subjects. That is very important. So otherwise you can prepare your own notes. That is also very much essential. If you prepare your own notes, that is well and good. If you don't have time to prepare the notes which is already prepared by myself, so that is very useful. Unit wise I have prepared, so that much if you go through sufficiently, that is fair enough to pass your backlog subjects. I can damn surely tell that my notes are very useful to crack your backlog subjects, my dear friends. So my experience, my overall evaluation of my LLB, so apart the same way I have mentioned in the notes. So that way if you can able to write in your LLB examination, obviously you can able to score very good marks. So quality answers also required, and quantity also required for your KSLU examination. So we should alert about your backlog subjects. So if you think about your subjects always, so whatever you have studied, you have to recall. You have studied some topics today, so that what you have studied, that you have to recall, whether it could be section, articles, subsections, case laws, illustrations, relevant key points. So whatever you have studied, that you need to analyze and you need to recall again and again, so that you can able to express yourself in the examination. Fastly you can able to write. So some people are, they don't know how to manage the time, and they don't know how to write the LLB examination. They don't know how to express themselves. So that also presentation is very much essential while writing your examination. My dear friends, if you can manage your time, you can conquer the world. So manage time management is also very important, one of the tips which you need to overcome your backlog subject. So after that, every day what I suggested, at least minimum 2 hours a day, you need to focus on your backlog subject apart from your upcoming LLB examination. So who has first attempt passed all subjects, so for their upcoming LLB examination, minimum 2 hours a day is enough. So who has kept backlog of previous semesters, at least minimum 4 to 5 hours a day they have to study. My advice to all KSLU students, if you kept backlog subject, at least minimum 4 hours a day you need to spend on your backlog subject and as well as upcoming LLB examination. So sometimes the students have not at all written in the earlier examination, so they need to write upcoming LLB examination. In that time, what you have to do, so upcoming LLB examination you need to focus on more, and backlog subject of few subjects, whether it could be 2 subject, 3 subject, you need to attend. Apart from your semester, upcoming semester examination, you may attend 2 to 3 backlog subjects. You need to focus on 2 to 3 backlog subjects. Don't write in a bulk way, 10 subjects, 11 subjects, 15 subjects, 20 subjects. Please don't write. So you can write maximum 8 subjects in each semester, so not more than that. So for that you need to focus. So that is very important. And who have kept backlog subjects, my dear friends, at least minimum of an hour, please do yoga or meditation. You try to adopt yoga or meditation. Why I am saying this means, many of the students, they may not have the interested to do yoga or meditation. If you do yoga or meditation, your constant mind will be focused on your studies. So you will get discipline. If you get discipline, obviously you will go into study. So many of the students, the subjects are very difficult to crack. So in that time, that yoga and meditation will be going to help, my dear friends. So that is the reason I used to always tell about how to, if you adopt yoga or meditation, that is very useful for your upcoming LLB examination. So that will be link from yoga to your studies. So these are all the tips which you need to follow to overcome your backlog subjects. So if you don't overcome your backlog subjects, it is very difficult to pass in the LLB examination, especially Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. If you would like to score more, if you would like to, overcome your backlog subject, means at least minimum 4 hours a day you need to spend on your studies. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Whether it could be morning, whether it could be evening, that you make timetable. According to your timetable, you have to execute your studies. So that is very important. So please don't neglect your studies. If you keep a big goal in your life, obviously you can able to crack your pending subjects or backlog subjects. So if you don't have proper goal, where to go, how to go for your goal. So goal also, it is one of the motivation factor to crack your backlog subjects. So one of the motivation factor, your goal. So if you keep big goal, that also one motivation factor to overcome your backlog subjects. These are all the tips you need to follow to overcome your backlog subjects, my dear friends. Apart from that, I have prepared the notes for your upcoming LLB examinations. So whether it could be backlog subjects, whether it could be upcoming LLB examination, it will be applicable. So both odd semester and even semester, both the LLB examination subjects, whether it could be 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, both the LLB subjects have been prepared unit-wise notes. This unit-wise notes contains previous year question papers, questions and answers, and along with problem related questions and answers. So both have been covered for all subjects. All subjects contains 45 questions and answers, so including problem related. So if you go through that notes, that is very sufficient to score at your LLB examination. You can able to easily overcome your backlog subjects. How to get this note? That is very simple. So the mobile number which I mentioned in the YouTube description column, if you contact them, definitely you can able to get the notes via courier or Indian Post. I hope this video have been clarified about how to overcome your backlog subject or how to clear your backlog subjects from Karnataka State Law University, Hubli, and the notes which are prepared for your upcoming LLB examination, that also have been updated. So please do subscribe my channel Kumar Ketty, so that you will notified very good videos pertaining to your 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, specifically comes under Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Thank you.